Jacobabad is a city in the Sindh province of Pakistan. It is known for its extreme heat. In the summer, temperatures can soar above 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes Jacobabad one of the hottest cities in the world. But despite the heat, Jacobabad is a bustling city with a rich history and culture. The city was founded in 1847 by General John Jacob. He was a British East India Company officer. Jacobabad was a strategic location. It was on the route between India and Afghanistan. The city grew quickly and became an important center for trade and agriculture. Today, Jacobabad is a city of over 200,000 people. It is a melting pot of different cultures and languages. The people of Jacobabad are known for their resilience. They have learned to adapt to the extreme climate. Jacobabad, a city located in the Sindh province of Pakistan, is known for its extreme weather conditions. It has a hot desert climate, which means that it experiences high temperatures and very little rainfall throughout the year. This type of climate is characterized by its arid conditions, making it one of the most challenging environments for human habitation. This means that it is hot and dry for most of the year. The landscape is often parched with cracked earth and minimal vegetation. The relentless sun beats down, creating an environment that can be both beautiful and harsh. The summers in Jacobabad are particularly long and intense. From May to September, the city experiences scorching heat that can be unbearable. The sun is relentless and the air is dry, making it difficult for people to stay cool. Temperatures regularly exceed 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. On many days, the mercury soars even higher, making it one of the hottest places on Earth. The heat can be oppressive, and people often seek refuge indoors during the peak hours of the day. The highest recorded temperature in Jacobabad is 52.8 degrees Celsius, or 127 degrees Fahrenheit. This record-breaking heat is a testament to the extreme conditions that the residents have to endure. Such high temperatures can be dangerous, leading to heat-related illnesses and even fatalities if proper precautions are not taken. The winters, on the other hand, are short and mild. From December to February, the temperatures drop to more comfortable levels, providing a brief respite from the intense heat. However, even during winter, the temperatures rarely fall below freezing, making it a relatively warm season compared to other parts of the world. Temperatures rarely fall below freezing. The mild winter nights are a welcome change, allowing people to enjoy outdoor activities without the fear of overheating. The cooler weather also brings a sense of relief and rejuvenation to the residents. The annual rainfall in Jacobabad is very low, less than 250 millimeters or 10 inches per year. This scarcity of rain contributes to the arid conditions and makes water a precious resource. The dry riverbeds and lack of consistent water supply pose significant challenges for both agriculture and daily living. This makes Jacobabad one of the driest cities in Pakistan. The cracked ground and sparse vegetation are a constant reminder of the harsh climate. The lack of greenery also means that there is little natural shade, making the heat even more intense. The extreme heat in Jacobabad has a significant impact on the lives of its people. Daily activities are often scheduled around the cooler parts of the day, and people take various measures to stay cool. Hats, water bottles, and fans are common accessories, and staying hydrated is crucial to avoid heat-related illnesses. People have to take precautions to avoid heat stroke and dehydration. Drinking plenty of water, seeking shade, and wearing light clothing are essential practices. The community is well aware of the dangers posed by the extreme heat and has adapted their lifestyle accordingly. The heat also affects agriculture. Farmers face numerous challenges in growing crops in such a dry and hot environment. The intense sun can cause plants to wilt, and the lack of water makes it difficult to sustain healthy crops. Farmers have to use special irrigation techniques to grow crops. Drip irrigation and other water-saving methods are employed to make the most of the limited water supply. These techniques are crucial for ensuring that crops receive enough water to survive and thrive. Despite the challenges, the people of Jacobabad have learned to live with the heat. They have developed a strong sense of community and resilience, working together to overcome the difficulties posed by their environment. Their ability to adapt and thrive in such extreme conditions is a testament to their strength and ingenuity. Jacobabad's harsh desert climate presents a challenging environment for flora and fauna. The relentless sun beats down on the arid landscape, creating an environment where only the most resilient species can survive. Despite these harsh conditions, life finds a way to thrive in this seemingly inhospitable place. Yet, life finds a way. The flora and fauna of Jacobabad have adapted to the extreme heat and scarce water resources. Plants have developed deep root systems to tap into underground water, while animals have evolved behaviors and physical traits to cope with the intense heat. The date palm tree is a common sight in Jacobabad. This hardy tree is well suited to the hot, dry conditions, with its long roots reaching deep into the ground to find water. The date palm not only survives but thrives in this environment, providing a valuable source of food and income for the local population. It is well suited to the hot, dry conditions. The date palm's fruit, the date, is a staple in the diet of many people in the region. Rich in nutrients and energy, dates are harvested and consumed fresh or dried. They are also used in a variety of traditional dishes and sweets. Its fruit, the date, provides a valuable source of food and income for the local population. The date palm is not just a source of sustenance, it also plays a crucial role in the local economy. Many families rely on the income generated from selling dates at local markets and beyond. Other resilient plants include the neem tree, known for its medicinal properties. The neem tree is often referred to as the village pharmacy because of its numerous health benefits. Its leaves, bark, and seeds are used to treat a variety of ailments, from skin conditions to digestive issues, and the hardy babul tree, used for timber and fodder. The babul tree, also known as the acacia, is another vital plant in the region. Its wood is used for building and fuel, while its leaves and pods provide fodder for livestock. The babul tree's ability to thrive in poor soil and extreme conditions makes it an essential resource for the local community. The desert scrubland surrounding Jacobabad provides habitat for a variety of creatures that have adapted to survive in this arid environment. These plants and animals have developed unique strategies to cope with the lack of water and extreme temperatures. Some plants have small waxy leaves to reduce water loss, while others store water in their stems or leaves. Animals found in the region include the chinkara gazelle, a small and agile antelope. The chinkara, also known as the Indian gazelle, is well adapted to the desert environment. Its light-colored coat reflects sunlight, and its large eyes help it spot predators from a distance. The chinkara can go for long periods without water, getting most of its moisture from the plants it eats. The Indian desert fox, with its large ears for heat dissipation, also thrives here. The Indian desert fox, or white-footed fox, has adapted to the harsh conditions of the desert. Its large ears help dissipate heat, and its thick fur provides insulation against both the hot days and cold nights. The fox is an opportunistic feeder, eating a variety of small animals, insects, and plants. Bird life in Jacobabad is surprisingly diverse. Despite the harsh conditions, many bird species have found ways to thrive in the desert. Some birds migrate to the region during the cooler months, while others are permanent residents, having adapted to the extreme environment. Species like the crested lark and the Indian roller add splashes of color to the landscape. The crested lark is known for its distinctive crest and melodious song, while the Indian roller is famous for its vibrant blue and green plumage. These birds not only add beauty to the desert, but also play important roles in the ecosystem, such as controlling insect populations. These creatures demonstrate the remarkable resilience of nature, even in the face of extreme conditions. The flora and fauna of Jacobabad are a testament to the incredible adaptability of life. Despite the harsh environment, these plants and animals have found ways to survive and even thrive, showcasing the beauty and resilience of nature in one of the most challenging climates on Earth. Section 4, where water is life, geography and agriculture. Jacobabad lies in the heart of the Indus River Valley. This region is not just a geographical location, it is a lifeline for millions of people who depend on its resources for their daily survival. The Indus River Valley has been a cradle of civilization for thousands of years, nurturing cultures and communities with its abundant resources. This is one of the most fertile regions in the world. The soil here is rich and capable of supporting a wide variety of crops. The fertility of the land is a result of the nutrient-rich silt deposited by the Indus River over millennia. This natural process has created an environment where agriculture can thrive, providing sustenance and economic stability to the local population. The Indus River is a lifeline for the region. It flows majestically through the valley, bringing with it the water that is essential for both agriculture and daily life. The river's presence is a constant reminder of the delicate balance between nature and human activity. Without the Indus, the region would be a barren desert, unable to support the vibrant communities that call it home. It provides water for irrigation and drinking. The river's water is channeled through an intricate network of canals and ditches, ensuring that even the most remote fields receive the hydration they need. This system of irrigation is a testament to human ingenuity and the ability to adapt to challenging environments. The water from the Indus is also a vital source of drinking water for the local population, making it indispensable for daily life. However, Jacobabad itself is located in a desert area. The contrast between the lush river valley and the arid desert is striking. This juxtaposition highlights the importance of water management and the challenges faced by the local population. Despite the harsh conditions, the people of Jacobabad have found ways to make the desert bloom, turning adversity into opportunity. The land is flat and dry. This topography presents unique challenges for agriculture, as the lack of natural elevation means that water does not flow easily across the land. Farmers must rely on advanced irrigation techniques to ensure that their crops receive the necessary water. The flat, dry landscape is a constant reminder of the resilience and determination of the local farmers. Agriculture is the mainstay of the local economy. The majority of the population is engaged in farming, and their livelihoods depend on the success of their crops. The agricultural sector provides employment and income for thousands of families, making it a crucial component of the local economy. The hard work and dedication of the farmers ensure that the region remains productive and prosperous. Farmers in Jacobabad have developed ingenious methods to cultivate crops. They use a combination of traditional knowledge and modern technology to overcome the challenges posed by the harsh environment. From drip irrigation systems to drought-resistant crop varieties, these innovations have enabled farmers to increase their yields and improve their livelihoods. The creativity and resourcefulness of the local farmers are key to the region's agricultural success. They rely heavily on irrigation canals. These canals are the lifeblood of the agricultural system, transporting water from the Indus River to the fields. The maintenance and management of these canals are critical to ensuring a consistent water supply. The local community works together to keep the canals in good condition, recognizing that their collective efforts are essential for the success of their farming activities. These canals bring water from the Indus River to the fields. The journey of the water from the river to the crops is a carefully orchestrated process, involving a series of gates and channels that control the flow. This system allows farmers to manage their water resources efficiently, ensuring that each field receives the right amount of water at the right time. The canals are a vital link between the river and the fields, making agriculture possible in this challenging environment. Wheat, cotton, and rice are the main crops grown in the area. These staple crops are well suited to the local climate and soil conditions, providing a reliable source of food and income for the farmers. The cultivation of these crops requires careful planning and management, as each has its own unique requirements. The success of these crops is a testament to the skill and knowledge of the local farmers. Date palms are also an important part of the agricultural landscape. These hardy trees thrive in the arid conditions of Jacobabad, providing a valuable source of food and income. The cultivation of date palms requires specialized knowledge and techniques, as the trees need to be carefully managed to ensure a good yield. The presence of date palms adds diversity to the agricultural landscape, contributing to the overall resilience of the local farming system. The farmers of Jacobabad face many challenges, including water scarcity and extreme heat. These conditions make farming a difficult and often unpredictable endeavor. Despite these challenges, the farmers remain committed to their work, finding ways to adapt and persevere. Their resilience and determination are a source of inspiration, demonstrating the strength of the human spirit in the face of adversity. But they continue to work hard to provide food for their families and the country. The dedication of the farmers ensures that the region remains a vital source of food and agricultural products. Their efforts contribute to the overall food security of the country, making them an essential part of the national economy. The story of Jacobabad's farmers is one of perseverance, innovation, and hope, highlighting the importance of agriculture in sustaining communities and livelihood. Section 5. The heart of trade, economy and markets. Jacobabad is a major commercial centre in Upper Sindh. Its economy is primarily driven by agriculture. The city serves as a hub for trading agricultural produce. Farmers from the surrounding areas bring their crops to Jacobabad's bustling markets. These markets are a riot of colours, sounds and smells. Traders haggle over prices of wheat, cotton, dates and other commodities. Besides agriculture, Jacobabad has witnessed growth in small-scale industries. These industries include cotton ginning, flour milling and the manufacturing of handicrafts. The city's bazaars are a treasure trove of local crafts. Shoppers can find exquisitely embroidered fabrics, colourful pottery and intricate woodwork. These markets are not just places of commerce, but also vibrant social spaces. They reflect the energy and resilience of Jacobabad's people.